Hey creative friends, well I am back for one more material test on 3mm materials, and so this MDF board I did yesterday and it was not successful. Like 20 passes it still did not cut all the way through. This is 3mm plywood. I have cut this before, and so again just to test my laser, it did just fine. It did cut it again successfully. And that was about 5 passes. And then so today I am going to try this Basswood on the same settings. And so this I picked up at a craft store, one of our Joanne craft stores. And so it's Basswood, 1/8 of an inch. So almost, or I think that is a bit under 3mm, or right at 3mm. And so I'm going to test this one today. Okay, and just real quick, 1/8 of an inch is 3.18 millimeters. Okay, so I have shortened it to just 3 passes at 90% power and 120 millimeters per minute, and it's doing just fine with just 3 passes at 90%. So this basswood is super easy for it to cut. Then the plywood was next easiest. And then this MDF again is still very tricky. This was very dense MDF. Again, these are all three around 3mm thick, but very different cutting results, just based on the density of this wood. So I'm sure even for MDF there's many different densities. So definitely will take some air assist and your fine-tuning your laser focus. But this basswood, not a problem. 2 to 3 passes, 90% power at 120 millimeters per minute, and satisfaction. Yeah, punches through without a problem. All right, thanks for watching.